Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Monday, October 20, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, David. I am good. A bit tired from the weekend, you?
I am fine. The weekend was relaxing. Now I need coffee to start the day.
Yes, coffee helps a lot. I had a busy weekend with family.
Sounds nice. This machine is slow today, but the coffee is worth it.
True, I always get the black coffee, simple and strong.
I add a little milk. Makes it smoother. Hey, did you check the news this morning?
Yes, I read it on my phone. Lots of big stories.
Right. Let's talk about that one from France. The government there collapsed.
Yes, the Prime Minister lost a no-confidence vote. It is shocking.
I know. They voted 364 to 194. The whole government is out.
It is the fourth Prime Minister in 20 months. Politics in France is unstable.
Crazy. Macron has to pick another one. How does he do it?
He tries, but the parliament is divided. Left and right fight a lot.
That sounds like our meetings sometimes. Everyone argues.
Haha. But in France it ends governments, affects Europe.
Yes. If France has problems, other countries feel it. Trade slows down.
Exactly. As project manager, I watch supply chains. Europe is key for us.
For sales too. Clients in Europe might delay orders. Bad for business.
We need stable partners. Instability means more risks in projects.
True. I hope they fix it soon. No more collapses.
Me too. It is a big deal for the economy there. Austerity plans failed.
Yeah. They rejected a 44 billion euro package. Money issues everywhere.
Global now. Even here we feel economic pressures.
In the office, budgets are tight. Relates to that.
Yes. Let's move to another news, the tech one about AI.
Oh, deepfakes. Those fake videos are everywhere now.
They are. Projected 8 million in 2025. Up from 500,000 in 2023.
Wow, so many. I saw one that looked real, scared me.
AI makes them perfect. Hard to tell fake from real.
Right, trust is gone. What if clients see fake videos of us?
That is a risk. In business, deepfakes can hurt reputations. EU has the AI Act now since August 2025. Rules for providers.
Good, they need training data summaries. More transparency.
Yes, helps fight misuse, but AI changes jobs fast.
Imagine AI in sales, doing calls instead of me.
Or in projects. Planning everything, we use AI already for reports.
I tried it for emails, saves time. But careful with errors.
True, in the office computers are smart. AI next level.
Scary but useful. We adapt like always in tech.
Adaptation is key. As manager, I train the team on new tools.
Smart. I tell clients about AI benefits, builds trust.
But deepfakes erode trust. Society feels it.
Yes, elections news, all affected, big impact.
We discuss it in meetings. How to spot fakes.
Good idea. Practice helps. Now the entertainment news.
Yes, Drake and his lawsuit over music rights.
I heard he is suing Universal Music Group. Big fight.
Rights to his songs from early career. Wants control back.
Artists fight for that. Music business is tough.
It is. Fans on social media are divided. Some support him.
Others say it is greedy. Headlines everywhere.
Culture shows society. Ownership matters now.
True. I listen to his music at work. Helps focus.
Me too, but lawsuits distract. Like office gossip.
Haha. Yes, celebrities make news fun. Breaks the day.
It does. Relates to creative work. We have projects like that.
In sales, we pitch ideas. Like artists sell songs.
Structured though, entertainment is wilder.
For sure. Hope Drake wins. Fair deal.
Or settles. Lawsuits take time, energy wasted.
Like our long meetings, sometimes endless.
True, but we get through. Coffee helps.
This cup is almost gone. Need another?
No, time to work. Meetings start soon.
Yeah, busy day. Clients waiting.
Projects too. Deadlines approach.
See you later. Have a good day.
You too, bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.